And new scientific research suggests Omicron may have also been created in a lab and also leaked. Joining me now is scientist and physician, Dr. Stephen Quay. All right, doctor, explain to me in very simple terms, because this can't go over my head, what are the indications that Omicron escaped from a lab?
Well, they're unfortunately a little bit scientific, but I think I can go slow and I can get there. It's missing a year of genetic information. So it's basically Rip Van Winkle. It went to sleep in May of 2020. It woke up about November of this last year. That can only happen in a very isolated situation. Jungle, laboratory, maybe an immunocompromised person.
So do we believe that this lab was where? Potentially in South Africa, and they were doing experiments and it escaped from South Africa?
Yeah, I think that's probably the highest likelihood. The other important fact is it likes mice better than it likes humans. So it's really the mouse that roared. And that's an example of what happens if you give a mouse a virus over and over again in what's called serial passage. So those two facts together, and then the final fact is that it doesn't, the human antibodies don't recognize it. And that's an experiment you can do by adding antibodies to the test tube, basically. So all three of those are indications that this did not come from nature. And in fact, in March of this last year, there were experiments being done in South Africa, taking convalescent serum and teaching the virus how to get around it, so it can get around vaccines and things.